Allstate and USAA, two giants in the insurance world trusted by millions, but when it comes down to your coverage, which truly delivers? On the left, Allstate, known for its nationwide reach and diverse policies. And on the right, USAA, a favorite among military families for its tailor-made service. Let's cut through the marketing hype and focus on what really matters. We'll score each category, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out ahead. The result could surprise you. Okay, here's the game plan. We're looking at price, customer service, claims experience, coverage options, availability, and the digital experience. Basically, the stuff you really care about, right? Let's hit each category one at a time. First up, price. So Allstate, honestly, they've got a bunch of discounts and you can tweak your coverage, which is nice. Boot the rates, they're kind of up there, especially if you ever file a claim. On the other hand, USAA is like almost always the low-price king. If you can actually join, their value for military folks, kind of unmatched. But here's the catch: even if you want in, if you're not military or family, you're out of luck. So for the right people, USAA totally takes it. Next, customer service. Allstate's got that 24/7 claims hotline and local agents everywhere. Super convenient, but you might hear some mixed feedback about how smooth those claims actually are. USAA though, oh, people rave about their support. Especially if you're deployed or moving around a lot, their team just gets it. Sure, they don't have a ton of physical branches, but honestly their satisfaction ratings are top tier. USAA wins this one too. Let's talk about claims experience. Allstate lets you do everything online, which is awesome, but there are some stories out there. Payouts aren't always the fastest and sometimes you get stuck waiting. USAA, they kind of crush it here. Quick payouts, people are super happy after the process, and the service, again, as long as you qualify, they're really hard to beat. USAA comes out on top again. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know USAA was actually started by a group of Army officers way back in 1922? They couldn't get traditional insurance, so they literally built their own company. That military-first mindset is still the foundation today. Moving on, coverage options. Allstate actually throws down a lot of choices. You want stuff like rideshare coverage or accident forgiveness, they've got it, but heads up, the more you add, the higher your rate can creep. USAA's coverage is super reliable and they have special perks for military folks, but they don't really branch into all those weird or ultra-specific add-ons some people love. So if you want lots of customization, Allstate pulls ahead here. Now, availability, this one's quick. Allstate, literally anyone in the US can get it, all 50 states, no weird hoops to jump through. USAA, yeah, they're everywhere too, but only for military members, veterans, and close family. So in terms of who can actually sign up, Allstate takes the point. Alright, digital experience. Allstate's app and website, solid. Fast quotes, lots of tools, but occasionally people grumble that the digital claims process could be just a bit smoother. USAA, though, they've got one of the best apps in the business. You can change policies, file claims, handle nearly everything from your phone. Sometimes you do need to confirm you're eligible, but otherwise it's top shelf. So USAA wins the tech game. So if you're visual like me, just picture this. On our radar chart, USAA is just dominating on price, customer service, claims, and digital experience, except you need that military connection. Allstate still shines in coverage variety and being open to everyone. I mean, at the end of the day, if you can get USAA, it's kind of a no-brainer. The savings and support are just tough to beat. But if you're not military or you want more flexibility with coverage and add-ons, Allstate is dependable and accessible anywhere. Bottom line, USAA wins for military families, Allstate for everyone else. If this helped you compare insurance powerhouses, make sure to follow for more smart insights. You don't want to miss the next deep dive.